Welcome to the JMT.
My people, we welcome una once again to this our news channel. Make una do well to like, share and subscribe so that I go dey hear all the ogbonge story wey dey happen for this town and for the country. My people, on today's news, our current entertainment news can't give you now. No be small thing as our popular Nigerian dancer, where they call Korra, where they live for outside this country, don't come out to drag his ex-husband though. Say why he go leave everything for her. Say they support the children and they pay everything for the children. I want play on the video. Make una hear wetin she talk concerning her ex-husband.
Nothing. Upkeep, nothing. I'm asking for nothing. All I'm asking for is for you to pay your own half, because all of me is too much. You go choke. And Athena is almost joining. Imagine if I have to pay both of them together by only myself. This fight, go fee end. Go fee end like that. Go fee end. And all the people saying free school, come to LA and look for free public school and see where your child will end up. Come to LA where I'm living. Come here. Come and look for free public school. You will see what will happen. Not for my June and Athena. And the place I put them is not the most expensive. They're even more expensive ones. There's one that I really wanted June to go to. If I was the only one paying for that one, by now I probably would be on the middle of the streets dancing to pay for that tuition, because it's not cheap. The one I wanted to go for, the language integration one, where they'll teach her all sorts of language. Do you know how much it is per month? Do you know how much that is per month? I just said, okay, let me pay for the one that is still affordable, as long as it's not me. But now I'm the only one paying. If I wanted June to go to the place I wanted her to go to. Iona Irvine, thank you for 1,000 stars. Appreciate you. If I paid for June to go to the place I wanted to go to. If I paid for that, I had to do that. Because even the school that I want her to go to, she's not even going there. She's going to a cheaper one because I know, say, at the end of the day, I'm the one who's going to be paying for 100% of it. And I am. No free pre-K here. If you want anything free, you have to wait until they're 4 years old. Their first 3 years of life, where they're sponges soaking up everything. You will let it waste. That's America for you. You wait till your child is 4 years old before you can have education. Anything before that, you have to pay for it. I'm not going to wait for my children to be 4 years old before they are educated. I was educated at 2 years old, and I'm coming from a third world country. How will I now come in 2023 with all the knowledge I have about early childhood education and wait for my child to lose 3 years of her life because I'm waiting for free school? No, I'm not going to do that. And if you have money to pay for a lawyer, why can't you just pay $850 for your child, for God's sake? That's what they call misplaced priority in life. Me, I know where my priorities lie. You can drag me. You can say anything you want. Beg for your stars and go home. You choose a private school, you pay for it. Go home evil. Whatever you like, you can say. Drag me. I'm ready to be dragged. Drag me. Drag me. I'm draggable. Drag me. Anything that concerns my girls, drag me to Nebuchadnezzar's desert. Drag me to Mount Everest. I'm ready to be dragged. Anything that concerns my daughters, drag me. I'm draggable. You can drag me. If you think anything that I'm saying is not factual, please just do a little bit of research. I'll never come here without facts. Everything I'm saying to you guys is the gospel truth. Nothing but the truth. I have been paying for June's school fees from July. In fact, he just stopped paying and didn't tell anybody until the school sent me an email that they were going to expel June from school. So I told them, please send me all the bills that he hasn't paid. I paid everything, and then moving forward from there, I started to pay full from the middle of the year till this end of the year. And still he has never paid. So I'm not lying to you. I have receipts of the payments. You know me, I'm queen of receipts. I'm not lying to you. DJ AP. DJ AP.